Hey students, a very good morning to all of you students. I hope so that you all are fine and you all are revising and go through with your previous concepts. So students, let's start our today's session. So you all have to bring out your English book which is there on screen. This is your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D. So you all have to bring out your book as well as take pencil along with you. I'm waiting for you till then. You all have to bring out your book and pencil and eraser. Let's open your book. Okay, so in a previous session, we had covered our writing skills book, right? And today we have to go through with your English book. So you have to open page number 1313 from your book. Earlier, we will completed our page number 1 to 12 with the passage reading. So is there any doubt in that particular worksheet? Yes, this is the very first way that you will read passage, right? The very first time you will read those passages. So students, you all have to read those passages by using phonic sound, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Split the long word in divisions, right? अगर आपको कोई भी word मुश्किल लगता है, difficult लगता है, तो आप उसको split करके read करो, okay? Divide it in portions and then you read it, right? Okay. Now let's come to your today concept. Yes, you all have to open page number 1313. So this is a new worksheet, but the worksheet is related with the same concept. In this worksheet also, we are revising the SH words. In this, we will learn some more vocab related to the SH sound. So one more time, let's revise the sound. SH will give you sound sh, right? अगर आप बार बार किसी भी चीज की प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो that means you are improving your concept, you are building your concept more strong. So the sound is sh, okay? It will give you sound sh. Which sound? Sh sound, okay? Now let's start this worksheet. Before starting this worksheet, you all have to mention the date on top, okay? Fill this column because without filling this column we can't start this worksheet. So you have to write the date on top, as well as you all have to circle the date. Go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. Okay. Now, what is the caption? The SH words. We are doing the SH words today. Some are the words which you already did in your previous session, and some are the new words to you. Okay. So let's see. Take your pencil in your hand, students. First of all, let's see how we have to complete this worksheet. Let's read the caption. Introduce children to the new words. So we will introduce you some new words. ये जो आपको new words दिए गए हैं यहाँ पर, I will introduce you some new words. Then read the sentences above. With the help of these words, we will read those sentences which is given above. Have the children underline the SH words. So students, when you read those sentences, you have to open your eyes. You have to see those words which is having the SH. You have to underline that word. ठीक है, जब आप read कर रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान से read करना है, because the words which is having the SH sound like this, SH, it's having the SH. So you have to underline those words which is having SH. Okay, so that is the way to complete this worksheet. After completing the upper portion, we will do the next portion. Okay, so now I will introduce you the new words one by one. Okay, so students, what is written over here? The very first word, the air, there. What we read it, how you have to pronounce this word? This one is there. Okay, there means waha. Okay, the next is put. Put. Put this pencil in pencil box. Put. Okay, the next is sh will give you sound sh. What sound? Sh. So sh e, she. I told you before that we use this pronoun for girls, for women. Okay, she, females के लिए हम ये use करते हैं. The next one is k, r, e, sh. क्या बना? कृष. क, र, ई, sh, Krish. Again, it is having the sh word, Krish. Okay, that is the name of a particular person. Okay, the next is sh, sh, a, lu, shalu. Shalu is also the name. Okay, shalu, shalu. Okay, the next is uses. Uses. This is also a new word. Uses. The next is paint. Paint. Okay, uses means जब आप किसी भी चीज का यूज कर रहे हो. I use this for completing my work. Okay. Next is paint. Paint. You all know what is the meaning of paint? Okay, chalo. Now these are the new words. One more time, I will revise it. There, put, she, sh, krish. Whenever you found a difficult word, so you have to split it. Okay. The next, sh, alu, shalu. The next is uses, uses. Next, paint, paint. Now come towards here, and one by one we will see the picture and then we will read the sentence, and while reading those sentence we will underline the sh word. Okay, so you all have to read it very carefully, students, right? Okay, now what is this? This is a big shark, a big shark, है ना? So now put your pencil over here, start reading the very first word. The one is already done for you. The shark is having the sh word now, so that is already underlined. The rest of the sentences you have to underline. Okay, the is, this is a shark. ये क्या है? This is a shark. ये एक shark है. Now see the next picture. What is given in this clip art? This is a ship. What is it? Ship. Okay, and you will see that there is a fish inside the ship. Ship के अंदर क्या है? This is a fish. See where I put my cursor? This is a fish. Are you able to see it? You can see it closely. This is a fish. So students, let's read the sentence. There, I introduced you this word earlier in the new words. There is a fish. See, there is having the sh word, so you have to underline it. There is a fish in the ship. Again, there is a sh word. So क्या इसमें क्या लिखा है? There is a fish. कि यहाँ पर एक फिश है. Where? In the ship. Ship के अंदर. Right? Okay, come to the next one. Let's see the next one. Okay, students, see, this one is a shelf. Yes, this one is a shelf. And can you tell me what is this? Ma'am, I will tell you. Tell me what is this? Ma'am, this is a shell. Yes, this is a shell. So where is shell? Shell is on the shelf, right? Okay, let's read it. She, underline it, she, put a shell, again sh, she put a shell on the shelf. That means a girl put a shell. उसने क्या किया? Shell को where she put a shell on the shelf. Shelf के ऊपर उसने shell को put किया. See, we are using on. On means ऊपर. I'll introduce you these prepositions in our spoken English class, right? And see, we are using it in a sentence. On का मतलब क्या होता है? On means ऊपर. When we put something on somewhere. Okay, now come to the next one, students. Next sentence you all have to read. Now see the clip art. First of all, before reading the sentence, see the picture, observe the picture, then you will understand what this picture trying to convey us. Okay, picture आप देखकर आपको बहुत सी things usually clear हो जाती है, and when you read the whole sentence आपकी बिल्कुल concept सारा clear हो जाता है, right? So what is there in this picture? there is a tap and a person is washing a dish. What is it? This is a dish. तो person क्या कर रहा है? Dish को wash कर रहा है. So let's read the sentence, then we will understand more. So Krish, K, R, E, Sh. See, this is having SH word, right? Krish washes. Again, the SH is in the middle. Krish washes the dish. Krish क्या कर रहा है? Dish को wash कर रहा है. Okay. Now come on the next sentence, students. See this one picture. So there is a girl. What's she do? She paints something, right? So let's read it. Shalu uses. Uses means जब आप किसी चीज का use कर रहे हो, इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, right? Shalu uses a brush. Split the long word in different parts. Shalu uses a brush to पेंट करने के लिए शालू क्या यूज कर रही है? शालू यूज द ब्रश. ब्रश का यूज कर रही है टू पेंट हर आर्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज अबाउट योर first half. Okay, you have to read the sentence and then you have to underline those words which is having sh sound. Okay, first of all complete this half, then we will do the second half of this page. I'm waiting for you. Till then you will read it and underline it, then we will do which part? Second half. And this is a very good worksheet, right? In this worksheet we will do some creative work as well. Okay students, I hope so that you have done with the first half of this page. Let's complete this worksheet by doing the second half of this page. Okay, so what you observe in this page? There is a spider, a big spider having lots of legs. Yeah, okay. And where is she? She is inside her web, है ना? Where the spider live? Inside the web. So this is a web of our spider. Okay. So let's see how we have to complete this worksheet, students. Okay. Have the children use different colored pencil to join the letter to form each complete word with sh sound. So what you will require to complete this worksheet, students? You need to have the pencil color. If you don't have pencil color, so you will pick the crayons. Okay, आप crayons भी pick कर सकते हो, but here you have to observe first and then you have to complete this worksheet. Okay, fine. Let's start it. Okay, now students see shell. This one is the word. If we have to make this word shell, we have to use the green color pencil. Which color pencil? We have to use the green color pencil. So I am taking the green color pencil over here. So students, I am taking the green color pencil and I used to see where is the word. So you will see it. This is sh and this is e double l, shell. So you have to match it, right? Like this, shell, right? Okay, the next word is, students, ship. Now you have to use a different color pencil. Which color? Add the red color pencil. Okay, now I will take my red color pencil. You also have to take your red color pencil and find the word where it is. ship. Ship. So you have to join it over here. Ship. Okay. Make your web neat and clean and colorful. So this one is done. Ship. Okay. But here you have to write the whole word also. SHIP. Ship. In this way you have to write it over here. Next is shark. Okay. First of all, you have to find that word and which pencil you have to use. You have to use the blue pencil for that. So I will take the blue pencil and then I will find the word where it is. This one is shark. Or. Sure. If I'll add both of these, so it's sure. So this one is not the correct word. What's next? Elf. Shelf. This one is also not correct. Arc. This one is correct. So I will use blue color pencil for this. Arc. Shark. And write the whole word over here. S H. Students, my pencil is not flexible, but you have to write the formation correctly. Okay, arc. Oops. Okay, I will move my camera. Shark. Shark. Right? So this one is done. Now come on the next one. This one is shore. We will read this word earlier. So here it is, right? So which pencil we have to use? We have to use the purple one. So this one is the word shore. So you have to match it. Okay, and write the word over here. S H O O R R E. Shore. Okay. The next one is elf. Shelf. This one is also we done. We used to have the yellow color pencil for that. Here it is. Okay. So students, now you all have to write the word over here. This one is shelf. If we will join both of these parts, so it's elf. Shelf. 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 Right, students? So this one is done. You all have to complete this worksheet and see this one is a very good worksheet. That's all about your today's session. You all have to complete this worksheet. In this worksheet, we also did our creative work too. Right? So that's it for your today's session, students. Have a good day. Complete this worksheet and then share your work on time. Plus, you all have to mark your attendance on daily basis. That is very much needed. Okay? Have a good day. Bye bye.